To make the most out of your Fidelity debit card, it is essential to understand its features and how to use it effectively. First, ensure you have activated your card by following the instructions provided by Fidelity. Once activated, you can start using your card for various transactions such as withdrawing cash, making purchases, and paying bills. When using your Fidelity debit card for purchases, make sure to select the debit option and enter your PIN to authorize the transaction. For online transactions, you will need to provide your card details and security code. It is crucial to keep your card and PIN secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. To manage your account and track your transactions, you can use Fidelity's online banking platform or mobile app. These tools allow you to view your account balance, transaction history, and pending transactions. You can also set up account alerts to notify you of low balance, large transactions, or suspicious activity. Another important aspect of using your Fidelity debit card is to be aware of the fees associated with certain transactions. For example, you may be charged a fee for using an out-of-network ATM or for foreign transactions. To avoid these fees, try to use in-network ATMs and notify Fidelity of your travel plans so they can waive foreign transaction fees. In addition to these tips, it is also essential to practice good financial habits when using your Fidelity debit card. This includes creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and avoiding overspending. By following these best practices, you can make the most out of your Fidelity debit card and maintain a healthy financial situation. Furthermore, Fidelity offers additional features such as zero liability protection, which means you will not be held responsible for unauthorized transactions. They also offer a replacement card feature in case your card is lost or stolen. To take advantage of these features, make sure to report any issues with your card to Fidelity immediately. By understanding how to use your Fidelity debit card effectively and practicing good financial habits, you can enjoy the benefits of convenient and secure transactions. Remember to always keep your card and PIN secure, be aware of fees, and take advantage of the features and tools provided by Fidelity to manage your account and protect your finances.